Good evening. My name is Tom Kalinowski. I'm the Director of Technology and Operations at Colonial Intermediate Unit 20. Today is October 23rd, 2019. Welcome to Tech Tips. This is episode number 65. In today's episode, I'm going to go over how you can create a table of contents in a Google document automatically. Let's get started. Here's a paper I found on the internet. We can see it has a couple of different sections. There's an abstract, technology use, so on and so forth. So right now they are just bolded, and how you would normally create a table of contents is you might start by typing abstract, and then maybe tab over a couple of lines and say page 1, so on and so forth. We're going to undo that. Okay, and I'm going to show you how you can easily create it. So if we go to Insert, we'll go down to Table of Contents, and we have two options there. We can insert a table of contents with page numbers or with hyperlinks. Either one is fine. In today's episode, though, we'll do page numbers. We'll go ahead and click on that. And we see it says Add Headings, Format Paragraph Styles as they appear in your table of contents. Now what we need to do is create some paragraph styles as it suggests. The easiest way to do that is to highlight the section. And right here, see where it says normal text? Let's go ahead and change this to heading 1. Okay, and this one as well, go ahead and change it to heading 1. Now if your particular paper had a subsection, okay, let's say this is a subsection, we could go ahead and make that heading 2, heading 1, let's make that 2, we go 3, so on and so forth. We won't go through all of them. So if we scroll back up here and click back in here, you'll see that there's this refresh button. Let's go ahead and click on that. And that's it. You can see that it created the table of contents for us automatically without us having to do anything. The other advantage of doing it this way is as you're working on your document, if the sections end up on different pages, this again will update automatically. So for instance, let's say this technology use in ESP, if let's say that ended up on another page, okay, we can just go ahead and click on here, click on refresh, and you can see that those page numbers updated automatically. So that's another great advantage of doing it this way. I hope you found this tip valuable. If you have any suggestions for future tips, please send them my way. You can put your comments below. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you again next time. Bye.